Have you ever wondered why you're still stuck in the same positions while others around you keep getting promoted? You show up on time, work hard, and complete your tasks. So why are you being overlooked? The truth is, promotions aren't just about doing your job, they are about standing out. Today we'll go over the real reasons why you're not moving up, and more importantly, what you can do about it. One of the biggest mistakes people make is thinking that doing their job well is enough. But here's the harsh truth. Your boss expects you to do your job. That's what you were hired for. Promotion don't go to people who simply meet expectation. They go to those who exceed them. If you're only doing what's required, you become just another employee. To stand out, you need to take initiative. Find ways to solve problems before they even arise. Volunteer for extra responsibility, lead small projects, and show that you're capable of handling more than your current role. Another reason you might be stuck is that you're not visible enough. You could be the hardest worker in the room, but if no one notices, it doesn't matter. A lot of people assume that if they just keep their heads down and do good work, they will eventually be rewarded. But in reality, visibility is just as important as performance. Speak up in meetings, share your ideas, and make sure the right people know what you're contributing. This isn't about bragging, it's about making sure your effort don't go unnoticed. Building relationship with decision makers and positioning yourself as a key player in the company will make all the difference. Then there's the issue of direction. Many people expect promotion without having a clear career plan. If you don't know what position you're aiming for or what's required to get there, how can you expect your employer to magically hand it to you? Instead of waiting, take control of your career. Have a conversation with your manager and ask what specific skills or achievement would make you a strong candidate for promotions. Once you know the expectation, you can start actively working towards them. Finally, one of the biggest reasons people don't get promoted is because they haven't developed leadership skill. Promotions aren't just about technical ability, they are about proving you can lead. Your company wants someone who can manage people, take responsibility, and make important decisions. If your boss doesn't see you as someone who can step into a leadership role, they will choose someone else. Start small. Mentor a junior colleague, offer to lead a team project, or take ownership of an important task. The more you demonstrate leadership, the more likely you are to be seen as promotion material. At the end of the day, getting promoted isn't just about working hard, it's about working smart. Take initiative, make yourself visible, set clear career goals, and develop leadership skill. The opportunities are there, but it's up to you to position yourself for them. So ask yourself, are you just doing your job or are you actively working towards your next big move? If you have any question, please share them in the comments. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you wish to join the Learn It All community, click the Discord link in the description. Thank you for watching and we wish you all the best. Signing off from LIA.